Hello students. So today is the turn for our English subject. So have you enjoyed the chapter or not? The name of the chapter is I Wonder Why. So welcome again to our online video class. So whether you have read the chapter 5 times or not, are you obeying my words or not? Okay students, I know that you are the best students and you are very good students and you will read the chapter 4 to 5 times. Okay students, so before starting the exercise solution of this chapter, I will recall something that this is a poem. This is a poem which is about the funny questions of the poet. The poet wonders why the grass is green, why who has painted the rainbow in the sky, why the clouds are fluffy, or who has told the birds to build a nest, etc., etc. So this type of questions arise in the mind of the poet, but the poet knows that his father will not say, though his father knows, or the poet is not also sure about that his father whether knows or not. So this is all about the poet. So today we will start our session with the exercise solution of this chapter. So let's turn the page. Look, answer the following questions. Why do you think is the speaker of the poem I Wonder Why? Is it a child or a grown-up? Yes, he is a child. So this is the answer. Which are the lines in the poem that gives us the answer? That means the question demands that what are those two lines which says that the speaker of the poem is a child. So those two lines are, why is it now do you suppose that dad won't tell me if he knows? So in the small letters you can write down like this. Those two lines are like, write down, why is it now? Why is it now, comma, do you suppose, comma, that dad won't tell me, comma, if he knows, question mark. Okay, so this is the answer. From these two lines it seems that the speaker of the poem is a child. Next, find words from the poem that are related to the words given below. That means these here some of the words are have been given and you have to write down the related words of these words which have been mentioned in the poem also. So nest, that relates to birds. Rest, that relates to trees. Round, that relates to moon. Are you understanding or not? Because the poet wonders who has told the birds to build nest, and why the trees take rest, and why the when the shape of the moon is not quite round, and why the clouds are fluffy. Yes or no? So here the answer is cloud. And flash, it is related to lightning. Okay, so these are the related words. So these questions have been over. So this is the next question. The poet wonders about many things. For example, why the grass is green. Find two more. I wonder why. Examples from the poem. Those two examples are, one is, write down, The poet wonders why the wind is never seen. Next, why Dad won't tell me if he knows. Okay, so these are two examples. Now come to the next question. Listening corner. Listen to the three sets of rhyming words. Repeat them after listening. Add one word of your own to each list. Listen to the three sets of rhyming words and repeat them after listening. Add one word of your own to each list. Okay, so I will say three sets of rhyming words. Look, green, clean, mean. Write down. Green, clean, mean. Next, nest, best, taste. Nest, best, and taste. Another one is sky, tie, buy. Sky. Next, tie. Next, buy. So these are the three sets of rhyming words, and you have to repeat at the end of after the completion of the video session. So now come to the next question. So this is the creative corner. What are the colors of a rainbow? They are given in 7 boxes below. So this is a picture of rainbow, and the next what you have to do, the first letter of each color is given. Now write the colors. Look, here the colors of 7 colors of these 7 colors have been given in the boxes, and the first letter of each color have been given, and you have to complete the color. Okay, so this is which color? Violet. So write down V has been already written. Next you have to write down VIOLET, violet. This one is indigo. So I has been written INDIGO, indigo. And this one is blue. So B has been written already, BLUE. This one is green. G has been already written, GREEN. This is yellow, YELLOW. This is a yellow. And this is orange, so ORANGE. Next is red. So R has been written already, RED, red. So likewise, we have completed the creative corner section. So 7 colors of the rainbow is rainbow are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. The short form of the rainbow colors are VIBGYOR. Okay, students. Now turn the page. See, students. 2 pictures are given below. Look at them. Write 4 sentences about each picture. So 2 pictures have been given. This is one picture, and the second picture has been given below. So what you have to do? You have to write 4 sentences about them. So write down. The first sentence will be write down. There are 3 children sitting on the chair. There are 2 boys. There are 2 boys and one girl. The first boy is writing. The first boy is writing in his notebook. The second boy is reading the book, and the girl is looking at his book. Look, so there are 3 children sitting on the chair. There are 2 boys and 1 girl. The first boy is writing in his notebook. The second boy is reading the book, and the girl is looking at his book. So this is the 4 types of sentences which have been I have mentioned. Okay. Now come to the next picture. Look, this is a picture where 1 boy and 1 girl is doing some activities. So write down. So what are those 4 sentences? Look, there are 1 boy and 1 girl who are doing some activities in the garden. Okay. The boy is picking the flowers from the plants, and the girl is gardening. The girl is watering the plants. Okay, students, so write down. There are 1 girl and 1 boy in the garden. Next sentence. They are doing some activities in the garden. This is 1, this is 2, next this is 3. The girl is watering the plants. 4th, the boy is picking flowers from the plants. Okay, students, so these are the 4 sentences. There are 1 girl and 1 boy in the garden. They are doing some activities in the garden. The girl is watering the plants. The boy is picking flowers from the plants. Similarly, here, this is the sentence number 1. This is sentence number 2. This is sentence number 3, and this is sentence number 4. So we have completed these 2. We have written 4 sentences by seeing these 2 pictures. So like this, we have completed the total exercise of the chapter number 6. And after the completion of this video session, you just fill your textbook by looking the PDF which I will send to you. And then do the practice work of this chapter. So till then, bye bye.